And before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment saying that I subscribed, and we'll try our best to get back to your comment. Okay, we're going to take you on a little tour here. That is, okay, we just saw that. Look at that up in the sky, that black thing. You got to zoom into it. I thought it was a cluster of birds, but it really doesn't look like it. And look at the ball there on the right. Just follow the bouncing ball. That's that thing I see in the sky, but it was much smaller. This looks like a flying ice cream sandwich. It's a sweet, UFO, and this pigeon looks like it's following it, but they're not that bright. So, and here's one up in the upper right corner. It's green. It's a square, flying digital squares. I've seen these several times. And this one is an oval-shaped entity in the sky. Certainly not the moon. That, I don't know what that ball is. And yeah, that's an Apache helicopter. Yeah, right. I don't think so. There's one above the building. And this looks like a flying face. To the right, the mouth, the eyes, see the ear, but zoom into it. Let's see. It's really bizarre. And this is my friend in the sky. No, it's not a demon lady. That looks like a flying avocado, and this is a different shape in the sky. It looks like a portal. That's looks like a flying avocado if you zoom in. That's that half moon, and the energy around it. And here it's green. And this, of course, is my friend in the sky that zoomed in from the left. Blocked the moon. I couldn't figure that one out. And, coming up to, this is really 72nd and West End. I was walking and I caught the wind. Luckily I had my video camera on and I caught this, and the wind is invisible. Okay, here's the half moon, and when I took still shots it was either white or yellow. And I got you the video. It's an orange crescent moon, so you figured that one out. Okay, here's a pleasant acid skies, orange sun. Okay, yeah, right. But that happens every day. Yeah, it's just the weather. And it's a beautiful view on the 71st and Amsterdam. Enjoyed it. Later.